Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook profile picture not showing on Newsfeed. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, right? And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and then just search for Facebook and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can get access to all the new features. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna go back to your screen. If you still if the issue still persists, go back to your screen, then go ahead to the settings, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the general, and then scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able right here to see iPhone storage, right? And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and try to pin down Facebook, right? And after you've found the Facebook, right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna delete the app and you're gonna be able to reinstall it, and that will force Facebook to be updated to the latest version and fix any type of bugs or issues there. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.